Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of freelance graphic design, specifically logo design, on a platform that's been a game changer for many budding freelancers, people per hour. So, if you've been thinking about sharing your creative talents with the world, buckle up, because we're about to break down the process into clear, easy to follow steps. Step 1. Discover and hone your skills. Before you jump into the freelance world, you need to have a solid grasp on your craft. This means understanding the fundamentals of design and mastering the tools you'll need. If you're just starting out, online courses and tutorials can be invaluable resources. Remember, practice makes perfect. Step 2. Create a stellar portfolio. Your portfolio is your ticket to attracting clients. It's a showcase of your best work and a reflection of your style and skills. Make sure you include a variety of designs that demonstrate your versatility and creativity. If you're just starting out and don't have any client work to show, don't worry. Create logos for imaginary companies, redesign logos for existing brands, or take on pro bono work for local businesses or non-profits. Step 3. Sign up on People Per Hour. This platform is a great place to start your freelance journey. The sign-up process is simple. You'll need to provide some basic personal information, verify your email, and create a password. Once you've done that, you're ready to move on to the next step. Step 4. Set up your profile. This is your chance to sell yourself to potential clients. Choose a professional profile picture, write a compelling bio that highlights your skills and experience, and make sure to upload your portfolio. Don't forget to specify that you specialize in logo design. Step 5. Start bidding on projects. On People Per Hour, clients post projects and freelancers bid to get the job. When you find a project you're interested in, submit a proposal detailing why you're the best fit for the job. Make sure your proposal is clear, concise, and professional. Step 6. Deliver exceptional work. Once you've landed your first project, it's time to shine. Deliver high-quality work on time, communicate effectively with your client, and always be professional. Happy clients are more likely to leave positive reviews, which can attract more clients in the future. And there you have it. 6 steps to becoming a logo designer freelancer on People Per Hour. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, patience, and a lot of hard work. But with perseverance and passion, you can build a rewarding freelance career doing what you love. Before we wrap up, if you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you want more content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. And of course, we want to hear from you. Share your thoughts, questions, or experiences in the comments section below. Until next time, keep creating.